In the previous video, we have started a practice set 1.3. We completed question number 1 and 2 and we started question number 3. We solved the first example. Now we will move towards the example number 2. Now see, you can see here there are the two equations, that is 4x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0 and 6x equal to 8 minus 5y. Now see, we have to arrange both the equations because they are not in the form of ax plus by equal to c. So we have to arrange the equations. First of all, we will move towards the equation number 1. Equation number 1 is 4x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. So we have to arrange, and after arranging, we will get the equation that is 4x plus 3y equal to 4. So minus 4 will move towards 0 and it will become plus 4. Now see the equation number 2. Equation number 2 is 6x equal to 8 minus 5y. So minus 5y will take towards 6x and it will become 6x plus 5y equal to 8. Okay. Now we have finished arranging the equations, both the equations. Now what we have to do? We have to find or pick out the values of a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2. Now here a1 equal to 4, then b1 equal to 3, c1 equal to 4, a2 equal to 6 of second equation, then b2 equal to 5 and c2 equal to 8. Okay. See, you can see a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2 and c2. Now we will find the value of d. Okay. So d equal to a1, a2, b1, b2. We will substitute the values of a1, a2 and b1, b2. You can see here a1, a2, b1, b2. You have to write as it is 4, 6, 3 and 5. Okay. After that we have to cross multiply. So it will be 4 into 5 minus 3 into 6. Okay. So 4 5s are 20 minus 3 6s are 18. So 20 minus 18 is 2. So this is the value of d. Okay. This is the value of d. Now what we'll do? We'll find dx. So dx equal to, formula is c1, c2 and b1, b2. Okay. We'll substitute the values. c1, c2 is 4 and 8. So 4, 8. b1, b2 is 3, 5. 3, 5. Okay. So that is equal to, we'll cross multiply. That is 4 into 5, 4 into 5 minus 3 into 8. Okay. Now 4 5s are 20 and 3 8s are 24. So 20 minus 24, that is answer is 4. Here greater number is 24 which have minus sign आणि म्हणून आपला आन्सर काय येणार आहे -4. हा काय झाला आपला, this is the dx which we have got it. Okay. Now we have to find what, that is the dy. We'll write the formula for dy now. dy equal to a1, a2, c1, c2. Okay. Substitute the values. a1, a2 is 4, 6 and c1, c2 is 4, 8. Okay. That is equal to, cross multiply, 4 into 8, 4 into 8 minus 4 into 6. Okay. Now 4 8s are 32 and 4 6s are 24. Okay. So 32 minus 24, what is the answer? That is 8. So our answer will be 8. This is the value of dy. So here our dy is, that is 8. Now what we have to do? We have to find the value of x. So x equal to dx upon d. Okay, so that is equal to, what is the value of dx? That is minus 4. And what is the value of d? That is 2. So 4 upon 2. So that will give you the value of x, that is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So value of x is, that is minus 2. Okay. Now what you have to do? We have to find the value of y. Y equal to dy upon d. What is the value of dy? dy ची value काय आहे? 8 आणि d ची value काय आहे? 2. Okay. So 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay. म्हणजे y ची value काय आहे आपली? 4. So y equal to 4 and x equal to minus 2. This is the solution of the given equation. Okay, we completed example number 2. Third and fourth example you can solve because it is just like first and second. So we will solve the example number 5. So as you can see here, the equations are already, they are properly arranged. We have to just pick out the values of a1, b1, c1 and substitute them at their proper places. Okay. Now the solution. Okay. Now the value of a1 of first equation, a1 equal to 4, b1 equal to 6 and c1 equal to 54. Okay. Now second equation, for the second equation, a2 is 3, b2 equal to 2 and c2 equal to 28. Okay. So these are the values of a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2. Now we will find the value of d. Formula is, that is a1, a2, b1, b2. We'll substitute the values. a1 is 4, a2 is 3, b1 is 6, b2 is 2. Okay. We'll cross multiply them. So that will be 4 into 2 minus 6 into 3. So 4 2s are 8. Minus 6 through 3s are 18. So 8 minus 18. 18 minus 8 is 10. 18 is the greater number having negative sign. So our answer will be minus 10. This is the value of d. Okay. Now what we'll do? We'll find dx. Our next step is, that is to find dx. Formula is c1, c2 and b1, b2. Okay. Substitute the values. c1 is 54, c2 is 28, b1, b2, that is 6 and 2. Okay. Now we'll cross multiply them. 54 into 2 minus 6 into 28. Okay. 6 into 28. 54 2s are. So 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. That is 108. 28 multiplied by 6. 6 8s are 48. 4 carry. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. So that will be 168. Okay. So dx equal to 108 minus 168. After subtracting, you will get the value of dx. That is dx equal to 108 minus 168. So you have to subtract 168 minus 108. So the answer will be 60 with negative sign. कारण इथे 168 काय आहे? ग्रेटर नंबर आहे आणि त्याला कुठली साइन आहे? मायनस ची. So dx equal to minus 60. Okay. Now what we'll do? We'll find dy. So dy equal to, formula is a1, a2 and c1, c2. Okay. Substitute the values. a1, a2 that is 4, 3, c1, c2 that is 54 and 28. Okay. We'll cross multiply now. 4 into 28. 4 into 28 minus 54 into 3. So we have to multiply. 28 4s are. 4 8s are 32. 3 carry and 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 is, that is 11. 112 minus 54 into 3. 3 4s are 12. 2 1 carry. 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16. Okay, so that is 112 minus 162. After subtracting you will get the answer, that is minus 50. Okay, so this is the value of dy. Now we will find the value of x. So x equal to, formula is x equal to dx upon d. Okay, so that is equal to, value of dx is minus 60 and value of d is minus 10. Minus minus sign will get cancelled and 10 ones are 10 and 10 6 are 60. Okay, so the value of x is, that is 6. So you have to divide, 10 ones are 10 and 10 6 are 60. You will get the value of x. Now we will find y. Y equal to dy upon d. Okay, the value of dy is minus 50. Value of d is minus 10. Again here what happens? Minus minus sign will get cancelled and that will be 10 ones are 10 and 10 5s are 50. So you will get y equal to 5. Okay, so x equal to 6 and y equal to 5 is the solution of the given equation. Okay, now we'll solve example number 6. This is the last example of practice set 1.3. Okay, now you can see the two equations which I have written. Equation number 1, that is 2x plus 3y equal to 2, and equation number 2 is x minus y upon 2 equal to 1 upon 2. Okay, now equation number 1, no problem, it is properly arranged, but now equation number 2 we have to arrange it. Okay, we have to arrange equation number 2, that is x minus y upon 2 equal to 1 upon 2. Okay, now here what we have to do, we can use directly the values as a a1 or a2 equal to 1, b2 equal to 1 upon 2 and c2 equal to 1 upon 2. Okay, but while doing the calculations again some problems will be created किंवा मुलांकडून बऱ्याच वेळेला चुका होतात अपॉन मध्ये असलं की, आणि म्हणून आपण काय करायचंय, डिनॉमिनेटर जो आहे इक्वेशन नंबर 2 मधला तो डिनॉमिनेटर आपण काढून टाकायचा आहे. वी हॅव टू रिमूव्ह द डिनॉमिनेटर्स बाय मल्टिप्लाइंग 2 to both the sides. Okay, so after multiplying 2 to both the sides, what equation will get, that is 2 into x, so that will be 2x minus y equal to 1. Okay, so this will be our equation number 2 and this is the equation number 1. Now we have to pick out the values of a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2. Now here our a1 is, that is a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 3 and c1 equal to 2. Okay, now a2 equal to 2, then b2 equal to -1 आणि c2 equal to 1. b2 ची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे, -1 आहे, कारण इथे इक्वेशन काय आहे, 2x minus y equal to 1. बऱ्याच वेळेला मुलं काय करतात, b2 equal to 1च लिहितात, इथे मायनस साइन असली तरी पण. सो यू शुड बी व्हेरी केअरफुल, डोंट डू सच सिली मिस्टेक्स. सो 2x minus y equal to 1, so the value of b2 is -1. Now we will find the value of d. d equal to, formula is a1 a2 b1 b2. Okay, so substitute the values. a1 is 2, a2 is also 2, then b1 is 3, b2 is -1. We'll cross multiply, that is 2 into -1 minus 3 into 2. Okay, so 2 into -1, that will be -2 minus 3 2s are 6. Okay, so -2 minus 6, that will be -8. So this is the value of d. Okay, so what is the value of d? That is d equal to -8. Now we will find, that is the dx. Okay, we will find dx. dx equal to, formula is c1 c2 b1 b2. Substitute the values. What is c1 c2? c1 c2 is 2 and 1. So 2 1, b1 b2 is 3 and -1. Cross multiply, 2 into -1 minus 3 into 1. So 2 into minus 1, that will be minus 2. Okay, minus 3 ones are 3. So minus 2 minus 3. So the answer will be minus 5. This is your dx. Okay. Now we'll move towards we'll find the value of dy. Okay, dy equal to a1, a2 and c1, c2. We'll cross multiply. a1, a2 is, that is 2, 2. Okay, and c1, c2 is 2 and 1. We'll cross multiply. 2 into 1 minus 2 into 2. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. 2 minus 4, that will be minus 2. This is the value of dy. Okay. So what is the value of dy? dy is minus 2. Now we'll find the value of x and y. So what is the formula? X is equal to dx upon d. Okay. So that is equal to dx, value of dx is minus 5 and value of d is minus 8. Minus minus sign will get cancelled and x equal to 5 upon 8. This is the solution of the equation. Now y is equal to dy upon d, that is equal to dy is minus 2, d is 8. Okay. Now we can reduce it. We can divide and convert into the reduced form. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. We have to divide. 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. Okay. So the value of y, that will be minus, value of y, that will be 1 upon 4. Why? Because the value of d is minus 8. So minus minus sign will get cancelled and you will get the value of y, that is 1 upon 4. So x equal to 5 upon 8 and y equal to 1 upon 4. This is the solution of the given equation. Now we have completed the practice set 1.3. Now in the next video, we'll start the practice set 1.4. So please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.